All right, guys. So as you can tell, the E60 is done. It's finally got painted, and I have to say, it looks really, really, really nice, especially in person, especially when the sun hit it. And I have to give a big shout out to Felipe. I know this guy from 2008, and he always into cars, and he painted my first Honda Integra, and he did a really great job, and that was in his driveway. And years later, he has his own shop, and obviously you still have to support your friends, and I have to say he's really good at details. That's one of the biggest thing I like about Felipe. You give him your car and his attention to details is really good. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna make him talk about what he did to the car and show around the car and show you his shop as well, because his shop is located in Atlanta, Georgia. You can find him in Marietta. And again, guys, if you're enthusiast like me and you want your car to get painted correctly and someone who's attention to detail, this is the shop you go to. Anyway, guys, talk to you guys later.
Hey, how you doing? This is Felipe Cruz with Redefine Auto. Just a little bit of what we did with the BMW. Ricardo's a good friend of mine, so he wanted something that mimics kind of like a wrap, but in paint. So what we ended up doing, focused only on the outside. No door jams, nothing was done in the inside, but was taped to mimic like a vinyl wrap. So bumper was taken off, hood was taken off, everything was taken off so we can paint it separately and then reinstall it back on. We kept the original gloss black. We did the gloss lip. We kept the OEM trim paint, reconditioned the headlights. We did the wheels, the 4G Auto wheels with the yellow calipers. And then as we continued, he wanted to go with the gloss black roof. And then he had a carbon fiber trunk that needed a lot of love and repair. The only way we can salvage it, it's doing a light coat of fiberglass to fix all the cracks, and then paint it gloss black with a fade so that way you can still see the carbon fiber at the bottom. Rear bumper was just painted on it, and then let me show you guys the door jams. The door jams were actually taped so it can kind of mimic the wrap style. So when you open it, you don't have that overspray or anything like that, so that way it looks like if it was a vinyl wrap. Same thing with the hood. Underneath the hood, same with the side steps, all the door jams, even on the upper pillar, you have that all creased. And then hood was painted separate. The hood was actually put to the side and painted so that way we can get all around the edges, even on the side whenever you open the hood. And then the fenders were painted as well, so that way engine compartment looks all completely OEM and stock. A little bit of what we do my shop, I want to say I'm a little different than the average. A lot of the shops just want to work on regular cars. I want to bring in a little bit of the restoration, or bring in a little bit more of the import European domestic look. As you can tell, we have a couple Mustangs, we have a Dodge, we have another GT coming through with the stripes that we're doing, got a Porsche, and so on. Bring you a little bit into the shop. We do have a paint booth to do all our work. A little bit of the stuff we've done already. We do wheels as well. We can make them custom. We can do factory color, however you want it. We add the whole Mugen lip kit on it. Diffusers, side splitters, whatever you need on the car, we can do it here at Redefine Auto. Another one of it was we brought this one back to life, which is my personal 240 S14. We did QAB, which is a Pro White Infinity color, and reconditioned the Nismo. They had a little curve rash, got them fixed. Nothing major, but this is a little bit of what we do. In the back, we have a little area where all my body guys, I do have 2 body guys currently here. So they work right here in the back. They're already rebuilding this SI. We're gonna do a full paint, engine bay, door jambs, full exterior, and doing the full trim. So that's coming next. So we're pretty much really close to downtown Marietta, and I had this actually registered with the city of Marietta. So we're one of the few. I'm not saying we're the only ones, but we're one of the few that actually have a legit registered paint booth that actually, is up to date on everything, up the codes and everything. So a little old, but it does the trick. Then here in the office, we just have a little sample of what you can expect a little bit more of. We do have people that can do valve cover powder coated, or I can do them liquid paint, depending on what the customer wants. We do have access to reconditioning wheels. Like this one was complete machine finished from start to finish from Premier Wheels. Anything liquid, I can do it myself here at Redefine Auto. So it just really depends what you're looking for, is how we can help you out. Different varieties of stuff. Office, and then we also going to start doing mount and balance tires as well in-house, because that's another thing that we do, since we do touch wheels, as you can tell. A lot of the times they bring me the wheels with no tires, so I have to mount and balance. I used to outsource it, and now we're going to do it in-house here at Redefine. We're located here in Marietta, so just feel free to give us a call.